Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. Wipro WILP 2025 started, and in this video I will guide you how to apply Wipro WILP and what are the eligibility, all of these details. So before starting today's video, please like and share, and if you are new, please subscribe. Now let's about know what is Wipro WILP. Wipro will basically it is Wipro's work integrated learning program. It offers for BCA and BSC students and sponsored by Wipro. And the opening overview category is one and job function in information technology and job profile CTC 15,488 per month period and first year stipend 15,000 per 488 ESI and the year second year stipend will be 17,000 plus 553 ESI. And in third year stipend, it will goes to 19,000 plus 618 ESI, and fourth year your stipend will go to 23,000. And additional bonus, you will get joining bonus 75,000. Now, what are the eligibility in this? Eligibility, first eligibility criteria, you have to must attain standard pass and 12 standard pass and make sure your graduation CGPA or percentage 60% minimum and CGPA 6 CGPA make sure or above. And passing year, make sure your passing year 2024 and 2025. Okay, 2024 pass out batch and 2025 pass out batch are apply in this. And qualification, if you are pursuing or if you completed your degree in BCA, you also apply. And if you completed or pursuing your graduation in bachelor of science in domains like computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics and electronics physics, then you are also eligible in this. Okay, so here are the details eligibility. And next, next is other criteria. Other criteria is open school and distance education is allowed for 10th and 12th only, and one backlog is allowed at a time of online assessment. And third is candidates are expected to clear the backlogs along with 6 semester. And mandatory to have submitted core mathematics as one subject during graduation. Make sure in your graduation there is one core mathematics based subject, and business maths and applied maths will not consider as core mathematics in graduation. And maximum 3 years gap graduation is allowed. No gaps will be allowed in graduation, and should be Indian citizen. And if you are Nepal or Bhutan nationalist, then you have to submit your citizenship certificate. And make sure when you apply this opportunity, your age will be make sure 18 or 18 years. And the candidates will be invited the test process. There is the now next, there is some required skills. First required skill is communication skill, and second required skill is analytical skill, and third required skill is reasoning skill. There are three skill required in this opening. And next, what are the selection process? Selection process based on three round. First round is online assessment. In round 1, you have provided 80 minutes in of fourth section. Okay, you have provided total 80 minutes, and these 80 minutes is divided into four section. First section is verbal, which you have provided 20 minutes and 20 question, and you have to complete within 20 minutes 20 question. Okay, and second, analytical, 20 question 20 minute, and third, quantitative, 20 question 20 minute, and fourth, written communication test 20 minute. You can take a screenshot this. And next round is round 2 is voice assessment, and round 3 is business discussion. Okay, if you clear these three round, you will get the chance. And here is the service agreement, just go through. And now here are the terms and conditions, just go through or can take a screenshot of this. And now, final scoreboard. If you participate in round 1, if you attend round 1, if you qualify round 1, then you are eligible in round 2. And if you clear round 2 also, then you will go to round 3. And if you cleared all these three round, then you will get a chance with Pro will. And now I will go to the registration website page now. And here I will guide you how to register. So now search Wipro will, hit enter, and click on this first link, superset Wipro university requirement. And after clicking this kind of web page will open, and here you can see all of these details of this job description and what are the eligibility. I have already explained how and how to apply. First you have to register step 1, and then you have to attend the online assessments. Then third round is business discussion, and fourth is letter of intent, and fifth is pre-skilling training. You have provided training, and then you will get offer letter. Here is the process, and here are the designation of stipend details and training details. You will be required a training agreement, 60 months training agreement, and here are the things. And they have provided, if you have any query you can mail them. Okay, now how to apply in this? If you have already account in this superset account, then you just have to click on this login and then login your superset id and password. Then if you not have superset account, then click on this sign up option, and after clicking this sign up option, this kind of page will open. And now click on this start registering option. Now here select I am here to apply for a job, and after selecting it, click on this start registering option. Okay, and then after you have to fill your basic details, like your name, your date of birth, your gender, your college name. Make sure type your college full name. Okay, and now how to find your college? Just click on this, go to how to search college and click on this, and here you will find your college, or other way you can find your college using pin code. Just click on this pin code and type your pin code, college address pin code, then you'll get match your college pin code. Okay, then make attention, registering with incorrect college you can get disqualified or blacklist. So make sure you have provide your correct college university address pin code. Okay, then after providing these details, you will go to this contact details page. Okay, contacts, then you have to fill the contact details. Then you have to fill the most recent education, like your college graduation or degree details, and then your previous education like your 10th and 12th education details, and your next is internship and work experience. Next you have to provide your documents and profile photo, and after filling all of this stage, you then create your simply superset account. Okay, and after filling and after creating the account, then you will go to just simply again go to superset Wipro will, and again click on this, and again now click on this login option, and then log in your superset account. Then you can apply this one. Okay, and log in with your superset account, type your mail and password superset account, then click on login, and then you will go to redirect this Wipro hiring page. Okay, so here are the all process, very simple process. So I will keep the decision registration link in decision, and hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next video. Still then, tada, bye bye.